Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. We just had some things going on. You know, one weekend we was in Tennessee for a while. Come back, had some things to do that weekend. We had a wedding to go to in Georgia. So we've been doing a little bit of traveling. But anyway, here's what I got going on today with the vehicle. Now, Gator, he's already took the front lip off and he's redone the side pieces on the LPT style front lip. And what I've done, this thing came shipped to me pretty messed up, so I've tried to fix it a little bit, and it does look a little bit better. And that's really all I was going for, because I was pretty happy with it. You know, not really, but, you know, for what I got at the price, you know, basically free, I can't really complain. So I was working on this a little bit, and we also finally got our ghost mount in today with the Insta 360 camera. So real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and work on getting that front lip on there, which as many of these as I've went through already, I should be pretty good at it. So, and then I'll probably head to the gym, and then I'll try to get some Insta 360 videos from that perspective, you know, like a third person view of the vehicle. And, you know, I'll post them on here as well. So as you can see, we got the whole front lip back on there. Man, it looks way better than what it did. I wasn't real happy with the fitment before, but I got everything to work to where it don't look too noticeable that the measurements and stuff are off, but I'm pretty happy with it. So now let's get this thing back on the ground and see how it looks. Okay, I got the car back on the ground, and it definitely looks way better than it did before. The way I had it before, you know, the measurements and everything just doesn't fit up exactly right, but I got it, you know, a lot closer this time. You know, like I said before in my last video, this is a cheap kind of Chinese off-brand version of, you know, the ones you get from like Mashimaro and stuff like that. But anyway, I mean, the lines are so much better. Everything's fitting good and symmetrical, and man, I'm really happy with how it turned out. And if y'all are interested in, you know, knowing how I actually repaired the carbon fiber so you don't have to buy a new piece, you can get this like epoxy resin, and usually it comes with a hardener and something to mix it with. And the kit that I actually got actually has like some little sheets of fiber. But anyway, you just kind of sand down like the problem area, and, you know, get it nice and clean after you sand it. And, you know, you'll start with a real low grit, you know, something real rough, and work your way up to like 1,000. And then clean it up, mix your epoxy and the hardener, and put it on there. You know, try to get it good and even, then sand it down and polish it, and that's pretty much it, guys. Well, guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And if you like this type of content, you know, leave a like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next one.